Hi there, my name is Jeremy Krug, and in this video I'll be discussing the changes that College Board has just rolled out for the 2025 AP exam. These changes are taking effect this fall, 2024, and students will be accountable for a slightly revised and updated course and exam description. Before we get started, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. This is the place for AP Chemistry and high school chemistry, and here you'll find all kinds of useful resources to help you in your journey through chemistry. If you haven't already done so, check out my complete 101 video AP Chemistry course right here on YouTube, review videos, problem walkthroughs. This is a pretty small channel, so every subscriber, like, and comment is really appreciated, and I try to respond to as many comments as I can. And just so you know, I will be incorporating all these changes into my YouTube video series, as well as into the Ultimate Review Packet. The link for that is down in the description. The updates for 2025 are fairly minor. The last major revision to the course was 5 years ago, and honestly, AP Chemistry has a huge content to cover with a whopping 91 topics scattered across 9 units. Most of these are name changes. Unit 1, Topic 2 has been changed from mass spectroscopy of elements to mass spectra of elements. This is more scientifically accurate, as this topic never actually covered mass spectroscopy. It was mass spectrometry, and there is a difference. Unit 2 has been renamed from molecular and ionic compound structure and properties to just compound structure and properties. This is a good change. It just eliminates a redundancy. Topic 7 in this unit has been renamed from Vesper and bond hybridization to Vesper and hybridization. Once again, this is more scientifically accurate. Unit 3 is being renamed from intermolecular forces and properties to properties of substances and mixtures. This is a good change because there were several topics in that unit that really had almost nothing to do with intermolecular forces. Topic 1 is being renamed from intermolecular forces to intermolecular and interparticle forces. This is because not all of those forces are technically between molecules. For topic 9, the word chromatography has been dropped, so it's now just called separation of solutions and mixtures. Unit 4 over chemical reactions is completely unchanged, so nothing to talk about there. Unit 5 over kinetics has one change. Topic 9 is getting a name change from steady state approximation to pre-equilibrium approximation, which is a better descriptor of the chemistry here. Unit 6 is getting a minor but very important change. It's being renamed from thermodynamics to thermochemistry. I've been wanting this change for a while because Unit 6 only covers the first law of thermodynamics, which most textbooks just call thermochemistry. Unit 9 is also getting a name change, one I've wanted for a while. It's being renamed from applications of thermodynamics to thermodynamics and electrochemistry. And that's exactly what this unit covers, so it's a more accurate and more descriptive title for what the unit actually covers. Two of the bigger changes to the course are two topics that are being moved out of Unit 7. Unit 7, Topic 13, which covers pH and solubility, is being moved from the equilibrium unit, Unit 7, over to Unit 8, as it becomes new Topic 11. This is a great change because before, teachers had been expected to teach about the effect of pH on solubility before students even learned what pH was. So this is a much more sensible place to put that topic. Once again, pH and solubility moves from Unit 7 to Unit 8. What had been Unit 7, Topic 14, covering free energy of dissolution, moves over to Unit 9. Since Gibbs free energy and entropy are part of the second law of thermodynamics, this topic makes much more sense in Unit 9. So the old Unit 7, Topic 14, now becomes Unit 9, Topic 6, with the other 5 topics following it being bumped up by one number. Now these changes will also help Unit 7 be a bit more doable. Instead of having a whopping 14 topics, which was the granddaddy of them all, it's down to a somewhat more manageable 12 topics. The last major change that affects AP Chemistry students is an updated equation packet. In my AP Chemistry classes, I let my students use the AP Chemistry equation packet on every exam throughout the school year, and I'm sure many other teachers do that too. So you'll want to be very familiar with this packet throughout the school year. The informational section at the top has been cleaned up. Unit symbols are given in a nice, neat table. There are useful unit conversions, and new for this year is a table of the most common metric prefixes. The equation section itself has been cleaned up quite a bit, and a few new equations have been added. Coulomb's law has finally been added to the packet, which makes a lot of sense since you're expected to know how to apply Coulomb's law as you work through the entire course. In the equilibrium section, two new equations have been added. Kw equals Ka times Kb, and pKw equals pKa plus pKb. Most students could have gotten along fine without these, but their addition definitely does not hurt. The equations have been reordered to conform to the order of the 9 units in the course. So the atomic structure equations are now at the beginning of the packet because most students learn those at the beginning of the year in Unit 1. Then we have the gases, liquids, and solutions section, which most students learn about in the second quarter of the school year. Then we have kinetics and equilibrium on the top of the second page, which most students learn about in the third quarter. And at the end of the equation packet, we have the section with thermodynamics and electrochemistry equations, which most students learn toward the end of the year in Unit 9. So overall, very good changes here. I'll be incorporating these into my video series here on YouTube, as well as into the new and improved Ultimate Review Packet for AP Chemistry. If you like my videos, you're going to love the Ultimate Review Packet. For each unit, I have exclusive summary videos that go well beyond my 10-minute unit review videos here on YouTube. I've got exclusive tips and tricks to help you raise your AP score, as well as practice questions, both multiple choice and free response, to get you ready for that exam. As of August, it's still under construction, but in a few months it's going to be the best AP Chemistry review tool out there. So head over to ultimatereviewpacket.com and sign up for your free trial. I think you're going to like it. I hope you all have a great school year, and I'll see you soon.